Stihl 261 CM, showing the floating rim sprocket upside down and incorrectly installed. Here we have the floating rim sprocket installed the correct way. You'll notice the ports of the floating rim sprocket are outboard so that the drive links can expel debris to reduce wear.